Introducing RoadSage, the first smart display that prevents rear-end collisions by alerting tailgaters autonomously. With built-in rear camera, RoadSage is designed to provide you a rear-safe driving space. Since 2021, we've built several prototypes to test different technologies and their effectiveness to reduce tailgating. We're in it for the long run. We need your support. So no matter who you are, we want to make your road journeys a pleasurable experience with RoadSage. It's now available to order on Indiegogo, so get your hands on RoadSage now and make roads a safer and happier place.
Hi, we are the creators of RoadSage, and bringing RoadSage to life hasn't been easy for us.
From getting our engineering degrees to working till midnight, it's been a long and challenging journey. And yes, we did it.
RoadSage is now available to order on Indiegogo. Now is your chance to go and get RoadSage at the best possible price. Click the link below and back us now. Thank you.